Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today's the day. We're getting my motorcycle back finally from the Harley shop. Got a new back tire on it, and they're dropping it off at 3 o'clock, so I'm getting out of work early. I am on my way to work right now. A little freezing rain. Stuck behind a semi in traffic. And let's do this. We do have one issue this morning, other than the freezing rain. I'm supposed to be there at 8 o'clock. Ride along with me. Let's find out if we get there. Come on, 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 come on. We're late. I know you guys don't want to go to work with me, so I will see you after work. Wait a minute. It's only the halfway point of the day. That's not right. Let's try this again. That's better. Now we're on our way home. Let's go get that bike. They're already there. Tire looks a lot nicer than the old one.
Oh yeah. A little more beefy.
Now that I have it back, what do you guys say about a cold start? here's where both of the motorcycles sit for the winter. Obviously, the Harley's mine, the Indian's my brother's. I just got to plug the trickle chargers back in so they're charged up. And then on this side of the garage, this is also my Honda. I let my dad drive it. But, just hooked my brother's battery tender up. Hooked the battery tender for the Harley up. Red, charging. Get that battery fully charged. One last look at him for the night. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just so excited to have it back. Now we can start working on it, throwing parts at it when it's not quite see your breath weather. That's going to do it for today's vlog. We'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.